Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stacking Christmas tree step by step. This tree is worked in layers starting from the smallest at the top and gradually increasing in size. So grab your yarn and hook. Let's get started. Let's begin with the layer 1 using white yarn, starting with a magic ring. And chain 2. Work 6 double crochet into the magic ring. Once we are done with the 6 double crochet, gently pull the tail and close the magic ring. Then join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. So we are completed with round 1. For round 2, make chain 2 and double crochet increase in each stitch around. Double crochet increase is nothing but 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Make sure to keep your stitches nice and loose. Remove the marker, then slip stitch to join. Now round 3. For round 3, make chain 1, then single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 double crochet into the same stitch, then chain 2. This chain 2 makes the sharp edges, and then again 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we will be repeating this sequence for 5 more times. Now make a slip stitch to finish this round. And that completes our first layer. Chain 1, fasten off and weave in the ends. Now for layer 2, we switch to the teal blue yarn. Work round 1 and 2 exactly the same as we did in layer 1. For round 3, make chain 2, then repeat double crochet increase into 6 times. Then make a slip stitch to complete round 3. For round 4, make chain 1, single crochet, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and repeat this for 9 times. Slip stitch to finish round 4, and layer 2 is now completed. Chain 1, fasten off and weave in the ends. Next is layer 3. I am using pink color yarn. Work rounds 1 to 3 the same way as layer 2. Then chain 2, then repeat double crochet, increase, double crochet into 6 times. Slip stitch to complete round 4. Then for round 5, make chain 1 and single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next same stitch, and repeat the same sequence into 12 times. Then slip stitch to finish round 5. We have just completed layer 3. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Then moving on to the layer 4 with the off-white color yarn. Work rounds 1 to 4 exactly the same as layer 3. Then for round 5, chain 2, 3 double crochet and double crochet increase into 6 times. Then slip stitch to join, and this completes round 5. For round 6, chain 1, then single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next same stitch, and repeat the sequence into 15 times. Slip stitch to complete this 4th layer. Chain 1, fasten off and weave in the ends. Then for the final layer, I am switching to yellow yarn. Work rounds 1 to 5 the same way as in 4th layer. Then for round 6, make chain 2, then 2 double crochet increase, then 2 double crochet into 6 times. slip stitch to join. Then for round 7, chain 1, then single crochet to the next stitch, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next same stitch, and repeat the sequence into 18 times. After completing this into 18 times, make slip stitch to finish the base layer. Fasten off and weaving the ends. Now we can just stack all the layers from largest to the smallest. Now let's crochet the star. Start with the magic ring, then work 10 single crochet into the magic ring. Then slip stitch to close. For round 2, make chain 4, and slip stitch into the first stitch from the hook, then single crochet and half double crochet, and skip chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and repeat the sequence into 4 more times. Once all the layers are complete, it's time to assemble the tree. You can either stitch the layers together using a yarn needle for a strong and permanent finish, or you can also glue the stacks carefully using the fabric glue or hot glue if you want a quicker option. Just make sure each layer is centered properly before securing it in a place. Once you completed stacking all the layers together, finally I am going to stick a star on the top of the tree. And that's it. Stacking crochet Christmas tree is all done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Happy crochet and Merry Christmas to you all. Bye.